Hello everyone. I haven't started a vlog in my car in a long time, but now I have a mount in here. It just makes it so much easier to chat while I'm driving, and it's just like talking to somebody whilst I'm driving in my car. I'm gonna go get my nails done today. Today is Friday. Unusual for me to start a vlog on a Friday. Normally I start like fresh on a Monday. Not really certain what style I want my nails done today. I'm thinking I'm gonna stick with the, whatever they are, like almond shape. They're getting a little bit long, so I want them filed down a wee bit. I've kind of my eye on maybe a blue, but maybe daisies on it or something like that. Or I'm thinking maybe like red, French red with maybe a cherry or something. I'm not really certain. When I get in there I think I'll know more, but I know the shape. This weekend we're just gonna be watching the rugby. It's the last rugby match of the season for Ireland. Again, we might go out on a nature walk. The weather has been very hit and miss here. It's been raining some days it's a little, you might get a little bit of sun, but then when you get to where you're going to go for a walk, it starts raining again. So it's just been a bit of a pain. And then Paddy and I were thinking we might go for dinner tomorrow night. We haven't anything booked as of yet, but I'm sure we can find something last minute. We haven't had like a dinner alone or anything like that since our anniversary, which is in December, and we didn't celebrate like Valentine's Day because I'm not really into it. Even though I love Valentine's Day, like I do think it's lovely and it's real romantic and stuff, but I don't care if we do something or not. Paddy always buys me beautiful flowers and more. I'm kind of feeling like I would like an Indian, but then he was saying like Italian. I don't know. Real exciting stuff going on in my house. Giving up close on my ratchet nails at the moment, and I got eyebrow gel underneath this one, or I bleached my eyebrows, tinted my eyebrows today, and now it's stained the nail. But yeah, this is the before. We're back and my nails are done. I just got this like powdery blue with little daisies on them, and then I also picked up a Pit. I always get the Caesar one without the pumpkin seeds. I'm not mad about them, but it's so nice. I'm gonna make some oatmeal cookies. I have some bananas in the press for the last like week and a half, and Paddy's been on at me every single day, been like, can I throw these out? Can I please throw these out? Can I please throw these out? And I'm like, no, I'm gonna make oatmeal cookies with them. I sometimes find recipes online, or sometimes like tailor make my own recipes, and I always like write them down and then just save them to my phone in like images. This is the recipe that I will be following. They're so simple. You don't even need to like bake them in the oven. I just kind of brown them almost. You need 2 bananas, and they have to be very brown, almost like to the point where you're throwing them off, because throwing them out. They need to be quite mushy. I'm also having some lemon water. Is there anything more refreshing or tasty than lemon water? I know that sounds really sad. This is what my life has become. How excited I get over like the smallest little things as an adult. A sliced lemon in your water, amazing. Right, I'm gonna get these ingredients. I'm hoping this angle is not too weird. So I have all my bits. Like, see how black these bananas are? You can see why Paddy has been trying to throw them out for the longest time ever, but I refuse to give them up until I make these. My mom was telling me that my granddad used to love bananas like this. This is like not a vibe. So they just look like that, and then you just mush them, and they're so mushy, well they should be, that they'll just like mush down to nothing. And add in my peanut butter or whatever nut butter you want. When I first moved in here I used to make these every week, and now I don't do them as often at all. Now it's all combined, I'm just gonna add in these chocolate chips. These are just milk chocolate chips. I suppose you can add in whatever ones you want. White chocolate, you don't even have to add in chocolate chips if you don't want them. And now I'm just gonna add them onto this baking paper. You don't need to be really precise with them because they don't rise, so it doesn't matter where you put them. There's another way, but like normal cookies, they'll rise and change shape, and you don't want them blending into one. They are perfect and ready to go into the oven. I'm just gonna pop these into the oven now. I've already like preheated it to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm just gonna put them in there for like maybe 6 minutes. Right, Martha Stewart, when I'm like telling you how to bake. I am not a baker. There's like 4, maybe 5 things I master. One of them is my cupcakes. I even say myself that they're pretty decent. That's another recipe. Look how simple that is. Banana bread, can't go wrong with it. Flapjacks, another one that I will do. I make a mean banoffee pie, and I do enjoy making a cheesecake as well. So they're kind of like the main things that I would bake, inverted commas. But the cupcakes, I've tried to get them right since lockdown, and I've mastered them in the last 12 months. This is gonna sound super cocky, but I couldn't buy cupcakes that I enjoy as much as my own. Right, I need to clean up the mess that I've just created and I'm now looking at. Fun stuff. I actually have a question for anybody who's watching, parent or guardian or whatever. When your child brings home artwork from school, what do you do with it after you've displayed it on the fridge for like the week or until the next piece of artwork comes in? We have like a collection of Noah's artwork. I can't part with it because obviously it's the first artwork he's ever done, but it's getting mad. And I'd love to be able to do, what's going on with my hair? I'd love to be able to like take a picture of all the artwork and maybe put it into like a scrapbook or something, or maybe I should just like stick it directly into the scrapbook. I don't know what to do. Like, what do you do with your kids' artwork? Because I'm very sentimental about stuff like that. I know maybe as the years go on I'll be like, oh, I'll throw this out, throw that out, but like I just think because he's only 3 and his little drawings are adorable, I can't part with them. But what do you do with them? Because they're getting excessive. Like I have a bundle about this thick. They're just out now of the oven and they smell really good. Simple and easy was that, and they're delish. And then you can use up all bananas. I'm just out of the shower. Noah's gone to bed, so that's why I'm kind of like talking quietly. And Patty and I just ordered Indian and it arrived, and I'm so excited for it because Friday night is our takeaway night. It's the night that we don't cook, and I enjoy it so much because I don't have to think about what to cook for the evening. I don't have to prepare food. I just love it so much. I'll probably vlog more over the weekend. My face is so shiny. I just put like a serum on it and a moisturizer. I'm using that Confidence in a Cream, that It Cosmetics one. I'm really liking that. It's quite nice. It's real hydrating. But I want to get a facial. I was actually talking to the girl who does my nails today about getting a facial. I really want to get one of those hydro facials. I want like a treatment for my skin. I have no Botox or filler or anything. I've never gotten anything in my face other than my lips filled. I think the last time I had them done was, oh my god, maybe 8 years ago. It's been a long time. But I want to get something like a treatment, like a non-invasive treatment. I probably will go down the route of Botox this year. These hydrofacials are supposed to be amazing. They're supposed to like reduce redness and stuff in your skin, because I have noticed a little bit more hyperpigmentation on my skin the older my skin is getting. So if anybody has any recommendations of good facials or what facials you would recommend for, I've kind of like oily normal skin, but I do tend to get like a bit of redness around here, and I have noticed just a little bit of like texture, like where I never had it before, and my pores are definitely more enlarged at the moment. So yeah, I need a bit of assistance in that department. Anyway, I'm gonna plate up my Indian. I am so excited for this. I have to have a little sneaky poppadom. I'm just so excited. It's got mango chutney. I know the lighting sucks, but this is just epic. I am one of those people who orders chips. Don't judge. I have some naan bread here, garlic naan, poppadoms, pilo rice, and the dish that I can't pronounce. It's a little bit like a spicy masala. I'm one of those people that I need my sauces, so I always get a mango chutney. It's not the same without mango chutney. Going upstairs to get dressed. We are going out for dinner. I did do makeup earlier on, which probably needs a bit of a top up. My makeup is definitely looking worse for wear. I'm just gonna top it up with a stick foundation. I'm not gonna go too crazy because we're just going for dinner. I just want to add a bit more coverage back in where I kind of lost it. I'm so excited for dinner. I haven't been out with Patty for dinner, just the two of us together, in too long, like way too long, and I just can't wait to just sit down and be alone. It's nice. Good as my makeup's gonna get, let's be real. I need to sort the hair out now. And I'll show you a little perfume that I got sent. It's the Daisy Love Marc Jacobs Glow. I absolutely love the one that they sent me last summer. I'll get the bottle for you. This is Daisy Wild, and as you can see, I really like this. Even just the smell of it right now, it's just nostalgic of last summer. I think I wore it every single day in the summer. I loved it so much, and I'm really excited to see what this one's like. So I'll just open it and we'll give it a smell, because that might be my perfume of the night. Oh my god, this bottle's adorable. I love how childish some of these bottles do look, but it's just so cute. Look at that. It looks like something out of the Mr. Men books, to be real. So that's like normally what the Marc Jacobs looks like. That kind of big arrangement of flowers. And we've got this one, so let's give it a sniff. Okay, I would describe this as, if you like Marc Jacobs Daisy scent, this is a much lighter scent than the Marc Jacobs original Daisy. It's really, really fresh, quite lightweight, kind of more like a daytime perfume. I sometimes find the original Daisy to be a bit like heavy and kind of musky florally. This is just straight up really nice floral. Okay, we have a new perfume. Thank you so much for that, love. Very excited for that perfume. I love a new perfume, but this one's particularly nice. So there's my two Marc Jacobs Daisy perfumes. I'm gonna display them up there. This is quite a matte bottle as well, just to let you know. So I feel like it could get a little bit dirty. It also matches the daisies on my nails. How ironic. Right, I'm ready for dinner. I didn't even bother curling my hair. I just leave it as it is. I don't care what it looks like. I'm just wearing this blue pinstripe shirt and a pair of jeans. Something really casual. It's just getting out is the main aim. In the restaurant now, first child-free night in like 3.5 months, and I have no idea what I'm gonna get, so I don't know, the menu is vast. Chicken Italian, I get it every single time I eat here, so now I'm thinking, do I want something else, or what if I regret it if I get something else? All the beverages, non-alcoholic beverages. I'll drive home.
You can't drive.
Sure I can.
Shopping drive.
I'll drive home. Actually, shouldn't be driving with my back.
Your back's fucked.
Ah yeah. Every part of me is.
I don't remember that.
So I ordered the mushrooms and you ordered
Vegetable soup.
veggie soup, a little butter thyme soup. Is it nice? It looks nice. These are very hot. I've scalded myself off these before. But they come with a nice garlic dip. Can't beat it. These are unbelievable. Look at the size of them mushrooms. They're absolutely huge. Proper mushrooms.
I was done there for 2 minutes.
What is that?
That is...
Noodles?
I can't think about it funny. It's too tiny for me.
Oh. No, the stuff.
Oh, that?
Yeah. It looks nice. Anyway, my chicken Italian, mashed potatoes,
Worms?
lovely worms, yeah they're worms, a lovely salad, and then we got some chips. They're not for eating obviously, but it looks lovely. Okay, I'm so excited for this. It has sun-dried tomatoes on it, bacon, it's in like a garlicky sauce, it just looks divine. Oh, absolutely starving for this. We're home. That dinner was delicious. I need to hang up that dress again. Every time I see it there I'm like, ugh. Dinner was delicious. Everything was just incredible. I'm now home and it's just gone past Noah's bedtime, so we're going to get him off to bed now. It's too early for him to go to bed. Before that he would never slept and he'd be up at like... Let it down. Let it down? Aww. And then we got home at just 8:15, so his bedtime's 8 o'clock. So we're getting ready to go to bed now. We have to brush our teeth. Yes? Oh my god, he's like some sort of wild animal. I'm gonna end the vlog now. I hope you enjoyed this weekly vlog. I will start another vlog tomorrow. I'll talk to you in my next one. And yeah. Slán! Bye! Bye! Bye from me and Noah.